Hello and welcome to Win with Wanny. To achieve financial freedom, you need to master the tool that I'm about to share with you in this video, and that is the power of belief. Why is this important? To achieve financial freedom or any goal that you set for yourself, you need to remove all limiting belief. That belief is what holding you back from launching. In this day and age, we are no longer surrounded by walls, windows, and doors. There's no boundary. Once you believe that, the world is your playground. Let me share with you an example. I once thought that for me to be a writer and a speaker, I would need to perfect my English. English was not my first language, and to this day, my English is still not perfect. For those of you whose English is not your first language, I'm sure you can relate. I also thought that for anyone to take me seriously, I need to become successful. Success as in having money, lots of money, driving a fancy car and living in a big house. Back then, those were my definition of success and what it meant to me. Because of those strong beliefs, I never took action to pursue my dream. Let me repeat, because of those strong beliefs that I have, I never took action to pursue my dream. My ideas of becoming a writer and speaker got put aside as I tried to perfect my English. Those beliefs was holding me back from achieving my goal. Once I changed my mindset, I began to achieve my goal. I went on to publish 6 books and hit #1 best-selling author on Amazon. Let's talk about how you can remove those limitations and beliefs. Whatever dream or goal that you have set for yourself, do not wait for the perfect moment. Just launch. You can always make correction along the way. Don't worry about what others think of you. Just go out there and do it. To help set you up for success, let's start by defining what success or financial freedom mean to you. Everyone's definition of success and financial freedom is different. For those who escaped the third world, like I did, coming to the first world was a success. Once you define what success means to you, then it's easy to achieve it. Once you know what you want, then it's easy to work on how to achieve it. Let me give you an example. Here's my definition of success and what success looks like to me. It's about how many people I can help serve. My what is how many people I can help serve. Once I know my what, I can begin to work on the how. How can I help serve? By writing books, do speaking engagement, create a video like this one and share with the world. Your mind is the building block for success. Everything starts from here. For you to grow, you have to feed your mind with positive thought and new belief. What you feed your mind will make a difference between success and failure. Start by surrounding yourself with like-minded people, people who have the same goal and ambition as you. Continue learning and growing. Feed your mind with information. Your mind will then feed your pocket. Having a strong belief is the key to becoming successful in any area of your life, whatever that might be for you. If it's financial freedom, you're seeking time freedom, which allow you to spend more time with your families and friends, travel the world, whatever that dream is all started by changing your belief system. Achieve success is not hard. For you to achieve it, you have to believe in yourself and then just do it. Don't worry about being perfect. You will gain new skills along your journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you next time.